You hear a quick, bubbly song in your backyard? Is it a wren or maybe a finch? They're both small, energetic birds, but their sounds are completely different once you know what to listen for. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to tell them apart using simple clues anyone can remember. First, let's talk about wrens. Wrens are tiny powerhouses. They're small birds with big personalities and even bigger voices. Here's what makes a wren sound unique. Track 1, the pattern. A wren's song is fast, loud, and cascading. It sounds like someone pouring water down a musical staircase. Listen closely now. Did you catch that? It's rapid fire, almost like a musical chatter. People describe it as bubbly, energetic, and relentless. Once a wren starts singing, it doesn't hold back. Track 2, the volume. For such a small bird, wrens are surprisingly loud. You'll hear them from across a yard or even a park. They sing to defend territory, so they mean business. Track 3, the texture. Wren songs have a rough, rolling quality. It's not smooth or delicate. Think of it as enthusiastic and slightly chaotic. Let's hear it one more time. That's a wren, loud, fast, cascading. Now, let's switch to finches. Finches are also small and colorful, but their sound is completely different. Here's what makes a finch sound unique. Track 1, the pattern. A finch song is sweet, musical, and flowing. It's much smoother than a wren. Think of it like a flute or a gentle melody. It rises and falls gracefully. Listen now. Hear that? It's melodic, almost lyrical. Finch songs sound happy and relaxed, like someone whistling a cheerful tune. Track 2, the time. Finches sing at a moderate pace, not rushed like wrens, not slow either. It's steady, clear, and easy to follow. Track 3, the texture. Finch songs are clean and smooth. Each note is distinct. Some finches, like the American goldfinch, add a little trill at the end, like a musical exclamation point. Let's hear it again. That's a finch. Smooth, melodic, flowing. Let's put them side by side. Here's the wren again. Fast, loud, cascading. And here's the finch. Smooth, melodic, flowing. The quick way to remember, wren equals rapid chatter. Finch equals sweet melody. Once you hear them a few times, you'll never confuse them again. And that's it. You now know how to tell a wren from a finch, just by listening. Next time you're in your backyard or on a walk, pause for a moment. Close your eyes. Is it rapid and loud? That's a wren. Is it smooth and melodic? That's a finch. If you want to learn more bird sounds like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. We release new sound guides every week. And if you have a bird you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for listening. Welcome back to nature.